If you're wanting to replace your dash or your evap core or your heater core, airbags, anything like that on 09 to 14 Nissan Maxima, and you're having a hard time finding information about pulling the dash, well, it's pretty straightforward. Start with your A-pillars, pull those off, speaker grills, knee panel. You'll find a series of Phillips head screws throughout your dashboard. Again, the other A-pillar. There's two 10 millimeters over here, one right there, and then one over here. The rest is all Phillips heads, and your dash will come out. It's pretty straightforward. Knee pad, the bezel for the instrument cluster is two Phillips heads down here. Down here, there's some clips. If you're going real deep and you're pulling the crash bar, you're gonna want to pull the trim on your steering wheel on both sides before you disconnect your airbag. Make sure you undo your battery for sure. This dash is pretty close to coming out. To get the center section out, there's a lower trim piece here that you'll want to pry out. That'll give you access to your first set of screws. Then you can pry out your HVAC and display up here, and that'll give you to the rest of the screws to the radio. Remember, all the metal to metal, so you have metal to metal. Anywhere you have metal to metal is going to be silver screws, and plastic to metal is going to be some black screws. I have the center console ready to come out too, but I need to get this trim piece out because there's still some fastening going on back here somewhere. But you can see my dash is really close to coming out, and then the crash bar harness and blower box will be exposed and be pretty straightforward. But just a big series of Phillips heads, mostly black Phillips heads from plastic on metal, and then a few silvers, which will be metal on metal, like the stereo brackets to these quick nuts. I can make another short once I get all the way back there and show how to do the wiring harness, the crash bar, and the airbags, whatnot. This cluster just needs to be disconnected. Just a bunch of little clips and stuff. Again, if you want to replace your dash, 7th gen Maxima 09 to 14. It's pretty straightforward if you've ever done one, but they get pretty gross, moldy, and disintegrating. This one I'm actually doing the evap on because it's got a leaky AC, won't hold a charge. So anyways, good luck to you. Let me know how it goes.